the University of Hotel Triangle. This is the Search for Mr. and Miss UP Personality 2009.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ramel Gutera Balatayo, 17, representing the College of Criminology.
A pleasant evening. My name is Guldomir Malula Batia Sumbrio, 18, representing the College of Nursing.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chris Victor Doremos by 20 from the College of Education.
Good evening. This is Janine Dianan Humo, 17, from the College of Tourism and Hospitality.
Good evening, this is Paul Anthony Biwang Yurada, 20, from the College of Architecture and Fine Arts.
A pleasant evening. My name is Lupa Amelia Combined Binag, 20, representing the College of Business and Accountancy.
Good evening, everyone. This is Julius Suarez, 22, representing the College of Tourism. This is Mark Lumina Guerra, 70, from the College of Business and Accountancy.
Good evening. I am Jermaine Manaraga, 15, representing the Day High School Department.
Good evening, everyone. This is Ralph Pichon Labonete, 17, from the College of Engineering and Technology.
Good evening to one and all. This is Edith Timocio Capitiman from the College of Engineering and Technology.
Hi, this is Mark Samuel Matabila Duantes, 18, representing the College of Nursing.
From the College of Midwifery, my name is Julie Cuenca. Good evening.
Good evening. My name is Angelo Opaya, and I'm proud to represent the Day High School Department.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kian Puelo Palacio, 17, from the College of Education. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Johnny Borrico, 18, and I am very proud to represent the College of Pharmacy. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our candidates for Mr. and Miss UB Personalities 2009. Thank you, candidates. Our candidates are really doing a great job. You're right, Jaya, and take note, that was just their first appearance in front of a crowd. We will have some more of what it was in the next super hot sportswear competition, the mind-testing Q&A portion, and the glamorous long gown and formal wear competition. All